Alrighty, so we'll try this here again. This is Mike Finch with tvtownusa.com. We're talking right now about our new streaming TV service, TV Town USA streaming TV service. So, just wanted to demonstrate. Gotta have a Fire Stick first off. That's what we got right now is a Fire Stick. We're gonna go down here to our new streaming TV service, which was already ready to go apparently. We're on TNT right now. This is what I recorded last night. So you get over 3,000 channels with this bad boy. This is my favorite channels I've added so far. But let's just like premium movie channels. All the HBOs and Showtimes and Cinemax and Stars. All that good stuff. We're going to get all that. This is $65 a month to get this. So trying to navigate myself here, but go back to channels. Gonna get your local channels, pay-per-views. Look at all these local channels. 425 local channels. Let's just click on one just real quick. So this is NBC out of Mobile, Alabama. So I don't know what happened there. God dang it. So go back to channels. Sports networks, premium movie channels. Let's just do that real quick. And let's HBO right here. Pause it, record it, rewind it. Just like everything you could do with Sling TV or Direct TV or whatever. This again is a streaming TV service. We got to have internet to get it going. Okay. Pay-per-view. This is like whenever, UFC's on or whatever. Right now there's nothing on, so it's just off the air. But we got all that. And what I'm just showing right now is how quick the system runs. Got ESPN Plus, Super Sport. We got the NFL Sunday Ticket here. NBA, NHL, Major League Baseball, F1, football. 24/7 Christmas, 24 kids, 24/7 movies. What? Music? We got music too. I didn't even know we had that. I have not explored 110% of this. But let's just go through just real quick. TV guide. It's got a program guide. I mean, you're getting every station. It's got over 3,000 channels. And again, this is only available with us here over at tvtownusa.com. Oops. I don't know what that is, but let's just go to What on Earth? Discovery Channel. So guys, if you got DirecTV Stream or Sling TV, that's what I have right now actually. This is the way to go right here. That's why I'm uploading the video, because I need you guys to get with me so we can get you guys set up. It's $115 up front. You got to go get a Fire Stick. You got to have internet. And then we send you an email. It takes literally 5 minutes to get this platform on your Fire Stick. And it works on 3 Fire Sticks to be exact with you. So you could have up to 3 Fire Sticks throughout your house and you're going to get all this. Let's just go back here again. Let's go back one more time. There's so many different things here. Let's go to premium channels. Boom. Right here we go. Stars. Let's just go to Starship Troopers on Stars Encore. And as we can tell, boom, it's right there. It's working great. And again, you got to have internet to make this work, and you got to have that Fire Stick. Those Fire Sticks are over at Best Buy right now for about 15 bucks. And then all you got to do is go load a debit card with $115 on it. They might charge a fee on what am I thinking of? Cash App, so you might want to put $117 on there. But we can get you set up within usually a couple hours. Get this going on your TV, just like tvtownusa.com, like we're doing right now. Hit the wrong way, but yeah, just like it also constantly records everything within the last 12 hours. So yeah, you can go do that. Let's backtrack here just a little bit here. Let's back out. Let's go to groups again. Let's go to my favorites, which I've downloaded my favorites out of Indiana's. That's where I'm at. And CNN, not saying it's like one of my favorites, but the demonstration purpose is to show you how fast it loads. Loads are really quick. So this is a really good deal. 65 bucks a month. And let's go to my DVR. I seen it earlier. What the heck is it? Here we go. Recordings. 30 hours of recordings here. Play. What are we watching? Taco Bell commercial. I've seen it 100 times. Fast forward a little bit here. Boom. Okay, well, we were watching AEW wrestling originally. Let's try it again. There we go. Anyway, guys, the point is this is the way we're going right now. This is better than Dish. This is better than DirecTV. Like I said, $115 up front. That covers your first month as well. And then it's just $65 a month after that. So go load your cards. Oh, what's this? Oh, there's, yeah, adult movies also included. I ain't going to play any of that right now, but then we got this one. This is called Catch Up, or Catch Up. And it's basically all the channels in the program guide that you can just, let's just click on the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. God dang, I hit the wrong one. Access. Let's see what's going on here. But, yeah, you can't ask for more with this setup right now, guys. So you guys got to get with me. What the hell was that? Where Fresh Prince? No. Oh, that's Access. Okay, that's why. Because I got Impact Wrestling on there. So anyhow, this starts over whenever you click it. But $115. Flip it real quick. $115 up front. $65 a month. You can connect this up to 3 TVs. If you want to do 5 TVs, it's going to be $10 more per month, $75. So that would mean that you would have to go get, 5 Fire Sticks if you wanted to do that. They have those at Best Buy. So let's get this done, guys. All you got to do is text me, Mike Finch, 812-272-8124. Again, 812-272-8124. It's tvtownusa.com. Right now, like I said, we got the Fire Stick going. We got the TV Town USA streaming service going. This is awesome. You guys ain't going to be let down. Trust me. This is great. This is better than Dish, better than DirecTV. But hey, if you still want Dish or DirecTV, get with me. I can get you set up with that as well. If you're looking to get home security, we do that as well. Get with me anytime. Text me, 812-272-8124. It's Mike Finch. You're always going to get me at this number, 812-272-8124. Let's go back over here. Boom. So we got the TV going. Ninja Footy Grill, whatever that is. But guys, let's get this done. Get with me anytime. Text me. $115 up front, $65 a month, 30 days later. So you're paying your first bill for 3 streams. If you want to do 5 streams, it's going to be $125 up front. And it's going to be $75 a month. But you got to go out there and get those Fire Sticks to get this going. Okay? 812-272-8124. It's Mike Finch with tvtownusa.com. Thanks again for watching my video. And I hope to hear from you here soon. Like I said, you got to have Wi-Fi to get this set up. If you need Wi-Fi, we got AT&T Wi-Fi. So let's get you guys set up with some stuff. Come on, guys. Text me. Thanks. Bye.